Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions by comparing products so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On one side, we have the TOMZON A23 mini drone, and on the other, the Ford DRC-V4 mini foldable drone. Buckle up because things are about to get airborne. First up, let's talk about price. The TOMZON A23 is priced at a wallet-friendly $39. Meanwhile, the Ford DRC-V4 will set you back a cool $89. So if your budget is tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving dinner, TOMZON is the way to go. But hey, maybe you've got some extra cash burning a hole in your pocket and want to splurge on something fancy. We'll see if the V4 is worth the extra dough. Next, let's talk about ease of use. The TOMZON A23 is like the training wheels of the drone world. With one key takeoff and throw-to-go features, even your goldfish could probably fly this thing. It's perfect for kids and beginners. On the flip side, the Ford DRC-V4 also has one key takeoff/landing, but let's be honest, you might need a PhD in aerospace engineering to master all its features. If you're looking for simplicity, TOMZON takes the cake. Reviewers love how easy the TOMZON A23 is to fly indoors, making it ideal for beginners. Now, let's talk about cameras. The TOMZON A23 has no camera, which is great if you're trying to avoid capturing your neighbor's embarrassing backyard Zumba sessions. But the Ford DRC-V4? Oh boy, it's got a 1080p FPV camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. You'll be capturing every moment in HD, from your dog's mid-air frisbee catches to your epic fails trying to fly this thing. If you're into aerial photography, the V4 is your new best friend. Reviewers appreciate the V4's camera for its quality, though some mention it's not the best for high-altitude shots. When it comes to flight features, the TOMZON A23 is like the circus performer of drones. It can do 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. It's basically the drone equivalent of a breakdancer. The Ford DRC-V4, on the other hand, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's got 3D flips, headless mode, trajectory flight, gravity control, auto-follow, and even VR. It's got more features than my smartphone. If you want to impress your friends and make them think you're a drone wizard, the V4 is your go-to. Reviewers love the TOMZON A23 for its fun stunts, while the V4 is praised for its versatility. Battery life is crucial because no one wants their drone to die mid-air like a deflated balloon. The TOMZON A23 comes with 2 modular batteries, giving you a total of 18 minutes of fun. Not bad, right? But the Ford DRC-V4 laughs in the face of 18 minutes and offers a whopping 26 minutes of flight time with its 2 modular batteries. So if you're planning a drone marathon, the V4 has got your back. Reviewers note that while the TOMZON A23's battery life is decent, the V4's extended flight time is a big plus. Durability and safety are key, especially if you're prone to crashing these things into everything but the sky. The TOMZON A23 is made of tough materials and has 4 propeller guards, making it kid-proof and, let's be real, adult-proof too. The Ford DRC-V4 is super drop resistant and also has full propeller guards. Plus, it folds up, making it super portable. So if you're clumsy or have a tendency to fly into walls, both drones have you covered. Reviewers find the TOMZON A23 to be very durable and safe for kids, while the V4 is praised for its portability and foldable design. Overall, Amazon reviewers have a lot to say about both drones. The TOMZON A23 is celebrated for its ease of use, affordability, and durability, making it a hit with beginners and kids. On the other hand, the 4DRCV4 is praised for its advanced features and quality camera, though some find it a bit fragile and complicated to use. Both drones have their strengths, catering to different needs and preferences. So there you have it, folks. The TOMZON A23 is your budget-friendly, easy-to-use, stunt-performing mini drone, perfect for beginners and kids. On the other hand, the 4DRCV4 is the high-tech, feature-packed, camera-toting drone for those who want to take their flying game to the next level. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.